Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. All right. Oh yeah, here. Look at that. There's that little bottle of looks like I don't know, wood screws or something. You know what? It's gone. Gone. So for anyone that says that I don't throw things away, it's gone. Not worth the trouble. Hauls can be very helpful at times. Now I just got to figure out where to put them. Okay. So, what we're going to do right now is do a little tidying. And it starts with putting some of these. Look, it's a Universal Centronics parallel printer interface for the VIC-20 and C64 computers. Two of them. They're going back in the bin where they came from. As is. Oh, that's a little loose. That might be broken. On here, I don't know if you can see that. This is all moving. That may not be good. That's a Centron. Oh no, Z-Tech Super Graphics Junior. See, here's another one, but it's okay. At least it's not shaking around. And this is one that goes with the manual. Anyway, going to put all these parallel printer interfaces, of which there are many. Good golly, Miss Molly. Many. And most of them are the same, except there's one strange one in there. Okay, so now I'm going to reach behind me and grab this wayward VIC-20 that I don't know anything about. And why am I doing that? Well, the first stage. By the way, what does this say? VIC-20. Something okay. Power okay, display bad. I wonder if this is open. It is. Oh. It's an old VIC-20 with a 2-prong plug. There is a fuse in it. Anyway, that generally means something is wrong. But there is another reason that I've got this right here, right now. Once I get this back closed up nicely. Hello. Okay, it's kind of closed up nicely. Not really. Okay. Hang on. Now it's closed up nicely. So, why do I have... Oh, it has the original... look at this VIC-20 sticker thing. It doesn't look really very good. Why is that? Because it has the original protective plastic on it. So when I take that off, it will undoubtedly look some better. Okay. So I can set that here for a second. And here's what I'm going to do. Each of these new tape drives, well, old tape drives that I found, they need a little blast of DEOXIT in them. In the connector. If Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intro made a checklist, I'm sure this is what he would do. So now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm using this VIC-20 to plug in, just to work the DEOXIT into the connectors. And boy, talk about yellowed. This is yellowed. This would not, oh, look at the bottom. Bottom's not bad, but boy, the top. Woo Hey, this might be a good sun project. I've often wondered if I put something in a window in the winter where it's going to get sun, is it going to get better? I don't know, but that is serious. Anyway, I'm going to spray DEOXIT into the connector. And then I will work it onto the cassette port. One. Ooh, that's tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with a little wiggle, which should clean the connector on the 620, but also if there's any micro corrosion in there that might keep us from having success with the cassette unit, that would help. Now here's one that's going to be tough to do the connector on there because the wire has been cut off, and as it happens, this one looks pretty good. So obviously this is a candidate for a wire transplant, which from what I could tell should not be difficult because the cord is indeed a plug-in thing, although it may not be on all of them. It seems, there. So we spray a little DEOXIT, come back to the VIC-20. 3, 4, and I am agitating it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there. We have somewhat agitated. Okay, so back into the bin. And here is the fifth. Oh, look, it had a rubber band on it. Rubber bands have a way of crapping out. Oh, it's got tape on it too. Oh, I hate that. Oh, well, I'm not going to do anything about the tape now. The tape, masking tape is a beautiful thing. It's meant to mask something while you paint it and then you rip it off. If you leave it on too long, it gets for sure. Oh, I see. The whole purpose of that was to make sure the grounding cable, which I still have no clue what you're supposed to attach it to, it's not in the way. All right, DEOXIT. Just gently in the connector. And then making sure the Commodore logo is up. That might have been 11. Oh well. This one is not the prettiest, but we'll see. All right, so they are all put away. The VIC-20, is put away. Here is the sacred protective cover that covered the VIC-20 nameplate from, maybe more than 40 years. It's in there. Now, I must set this aside. This is the special Tandy data tape, and I will use it to test the data sets. I will. Well, to leave it up there. Now here's a pack. Ooh, wow, this is when discs were going well. 10 diskettes, double-sided, 5.25, lifetime warranty. Ah, yeah, right. Imported by somebody in Concord, Ontario. Anyway, they're in the bag. They look good. I'll have to test them. They have stickers, and most important, they have Write Protect stickers, and those are handy for covering EEPROMs as well as Write Protect things. Oh yeah, here, bag of wires, put them in there. I think I still dropped some of them on the floor. All right, so we're getting there on the having space to actually maneuver. Maybe we'll put that in there. Is this thing still plugged in? I would like to think not, but it probably is. Oh, what a mess. Oh, here's a joystick. Yeah, oh yeah, this joystick actually worked. I was using it to test things. I was. Now I thought I had a Sharpie around here. Yeah. Great chance of that. Oh dear. Come on. Brighten up. We're on the air. I'll put this in here. I'm sure I'll remember that it worked. Maybe. Possibly. We are on the air. Maybe it's in the switch. Oh. Stay bright. I do not need water here. Not at this moment. Oh yeah. I gotta put these on the feet of my chair, which I keep saying I gotta do, which I haven't done, which I need to do. Oh yeah, that's a bag for a tape that works. Now, while I'm here, I have here another set of microphone things. This is the little interface that plugs into the phone. This is critical. But I have these other ones here, and they have been charging nicely. And you know what I'm going to do? For the second, I'm going to steal this bag. Because if you get the interface mixed up, you're doomed. Although there can only be so many things. Anyway, I want to have these here. I need to test them. This is the one where I had sound troubles because it seemed that one way you put the interface in, it worked well. If you put it in the other way, it didn't. This is disturbing. Anyway, here's another set of microphones. Excuse me on the coughing there. Ooh, this one has, as well as regular things, look, little fur ball things. And when I press on it, it does light up. But I want to give them an extra zap. So there's the interface. There's a charging cable, but I'm going to use the other charging cable. Close this up, stick it over here, and then plug the fur balls in to charge. If I could find, oh, there's the charging thing. And we'll leave them. Okay, it's red. Typically, they go red, and they stay red. So they came with some charge, or I guess people could take them out of the box and try them right away. That's always handy. Oh, look, instructions. Which I don't need much because, of course, I've been using these for a while, and they are wonderful, wonderful, marvelous. Okay. We're done with that. Okay. So, we're getting back to where we could actually do something. Little by little by little. I suppose I should check. Have I left this power supply plugged in for days and days and days? I did. Oh, gee. Well, that is not necessarily what I had in mind. I try to unplug them, but since it is the case, I might as well take the tester, put it in here and see where we're at. 5.20. That is pretty okay. But now that I do not need this plugged in, it is not a wise thing. In the old days, I would always encourage people to connect everything to a power strip or a power bar or whatever. And when they were done, unless they were running a bulletin board or something, just turn off the whole thing so that the power supply was not sitting there doing drawing power for a whole long time for no good reason. All right, I'm going to put this on the stack of power supplies. Oh dear. Over here. And it does seem that I probably had this one plugged into. Well, this is the one. This one looks like the 128 power supply, but it's not. It would have come with the 1764. So let's hope that it's all good. This is a good testing thing. 5.17. Lovely. All right. Let's see now. Oh, by the way, how can you tell? It's round. 128s and Amigas have different connectors. Okay. Now, we're not plugged in. We're not. Oh, I gotta make sure I don't lose it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna turn it on. I'm gonna put this on my hat because I have so many microphones around. Got this second. I don't want to get them mixed up. Okay, monitor on. Plugged in. Turn it on. And there we are. Oh, what did I do? Oh yeah, I32. Got an extra thing in there. Poke 53280, poke 53281, change to white, clear the screen. There's nothing in there, and then we'll print world. If we could spell world of Commodore space quote semicolon colon go to 10. Go to 10. There we are. Woo! Indeed, the world of Commodore is fast approaching. I'm hoping this video goes live before, but anyway. November 30th, December 1st, 2024. Go to tpug.ca for more information. All right. So we're going to let that DEOXIT soak in a bit. And keep on clearing the deck here. Oh yeah, here's the information on the other tape decks and on the tape. Good to have. Here's my trusted tape, but I'm going to look for a different one. There's a little wee screwdriver. Go back in the bin. And that's it. That is it for now. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.